Welcome back to another video. I'm here at work right now. They're unloading the trailer, or waiting to get unloaded in the dock. So got a little tool haul I'm gonna do, I guess. Got these thin wrenches from Capri Tools. So figured they'd come in handy. Just your regular thin wrenches, they're just real thin. Yep, I like that. We got this 38-piece bit set from Sunex Tools. So let's open this up. I figured this would be nice too to have. Comes in this fancy little metal case. Torques. Very nice. Really good for small areas. Little extension bar. Sorry if you can hear the truck idling. It's loud. Yep, Sunex. Nice little metal case. What we got next? We got this Sunex Tools straight needle nose electrician pliers. How big is this one? Strips 10 to 22 wire, built-in 832 and 632 screw cutters. It's pretty nice. Nice handle, grip. And next, got some of these scissors made in Japan. engineer. I figure everything's in Japanese. Figure I get a good scissors for my tools. I guess also it comes with this protector. Pretty nice, fancy. Real nice. See, made in Japan. Feels real good. Super nice. See what else we got. Got me some picks from OEM Tools. So, I don't own any, and now I do. Got me some picks. So very different styles. That's a 10-piece stubby combination wrench set from Sunex Tools. Comes in this roll-up bag. Metric. Got 10 to 8, 19. No skips. Just regular stubbies. Little tool bag or roll. And we got one more thing. Let me get it. Roll this up real quick. And this. This from OMT, Orion Motor Tech. Let me open it up. See what's in the box. So I got this. I guess this is for calipers. Disc brake pad and caliper service toolkit. Didn't really need it. You can, like, I just used a C-clamp or something like that to do everything, but I figure, I don't know what made me decide to just get this. Some cheap gloves. So you got these to push the pistons in, I guess. Different adapters. And I know like rear brakes. Also, when I had a 2016 Dodge Dart, that's the first time I seen these things, like to turn in the piston on the rear brake. Took me a while to figure it out. I had to look it up because I've never seen one before. So that I used the pliers because I didn't have this. So, but now I do, and yeah, I figure I get this. Try it out. So I guess this is for the left-hand side, and this is for the right. Never used this before, but I'll use it. Try it out. So, yep, that was it. And building up my tools for some reason. Hopefully I can put them all to work here soon. I work too much. And yeah. So I got this brake caliper toolkit from OEM. Got some shears from Engineer. There's sunex, wire stripper, pliers, whatever. Some stubby metric wrenches, combinations. Pick set, OEM Tools. You got your, I don't know what you call this. And then some thin wrenches from Capri tools. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next.